Hi, my name is Shin, Master of Ki Energy Therapy. I have a special ability to utilize spiritual energy called Ki to heal almost any types of injuries and diseases. I withdraw this natural energy from the universe. By applying this amazingly positive energy, I can quickly eliminate pain and improve or cure problems. I don't use any drugs or needles, just the Ki energy. I know it is hard to believe, but my positive results are difficult to ignore. This is true energy which I am able to use freely through many years of mental and physical training. Today I'd like to introduce you a lady whose type 2 diabetic condition and knee problems have remarkably improved through my Ki energy therapy. Please listen to her experience in her own words.
Before seeing Master Shin, I had a problem with my knee that has been since I was very young, and bothers me through the years, on and off, depending on my weight gain and pregnancies. And I also had a problem with my diabetes. It's diabetes 2. Well, for my diabetes, I saw a doctor, and she has prescribed me 2 pills and a day, and I see her once every 3 or 4 months. The treatment that she's prescribing, the pills, they don't seem to work. A lot of it depends on the foods that I eat, and I know when I eat the proper foods, my diabetes numbers are lower, but they're not under the line that they're supposed to be. A friend of mine was at Master Shin's workshop, and her knee pain went away, and so she talked me into seeing Master Shin. I see Master Shin frequently because my knee pain is basically gone. I can walk without much pain, and without any pain actually sometimes, and I just admire what he does for my body, giving me good circulation and keeping all my joints active. I knit and I make this scarf, and he keeps my joints active. Master Shin presses my body with his fingers and promotes the circulation so that every area of my body gets blood and is healthy. He has the ability to infuse energy through his fingers into my body, and gives me a lot of energy and health and vibrancy. I feel very relaxed, more and more so, as he works on my body, and once or twice I have actually fallen asleep. My knee pain was probably around an 8 or a 9, and it got reduced to a 1 or 2, and my diabetes in the 170s or 180s, when he worked on the area that he worked on, he asked me please to go home and read my sugar, and it was 108, and it was the lowest it's been in years. Master Shin uses universal energy that's out there in the Creator, or whatever universal energy there is, and he uses that through his body and through his skill to heal, and it does. It heals. Yes, I certainly would recommend it. I've recommended it to my friends, I've recommended it to my son and to my family, and I would recommend Master Shin to anyone who has a problem and wants to find a solution.
Somehow everybody is convinced that the diabetes cannot be cured. As you just saw her testimonial, it is not true. Type 2 diabetes can be improved or cured naturally. Let me explain why. From a Ki energy point of view, most of the type 2 diabetes is caused not by the lack of insulin secretion by the pancreas, but the malfunction of the duodenum, the small section between stomach and small intestine. The pancreas is connected to duodenum, therefore if duodenum does not function normally, it cannot utilize insulin efficiently. So I infuse Ki energy to the duodenum and its related nerve roots. Once the duodenum condition is improved through Ki energy, its capability to receive a proper amount of insulin from pancreas improves. As a result, blood sugar level decreases to the normal level. I know you are still skeptical. So I want you to watch CBS Sunday 60 Minutes documentation on April 20th, 2008, which featured the bypass effects on diabetes. In this documentation, 8 obese individuals received stomach bypass surgery to lose weight. The surgery took the duodenum away and connected the small intestine to the upper part of the stomach. Although their main purpose was to lose weight, all of their diabetic condition disappeared the next day or 1 week later. None of them no longer had type 2 diabetes. If you have watched 60 Minutes, you now understand why diabetes can be cured. I am not a medical doctor or scientist. I am here to share with you the possibility of key energy and the results I have seen. As far as the key energy therapy is concerned, not only diabetes, but many so-called incurable diseases such as asthma, rheumatoid arthritis, chronic fatigue syndrome, multiple sclerosis, cancer, etc. can be cured without medicine or surgeries. For more information, please visit our website.